Hello from the Malibu Lagoon. It's gonna be noisy because the ocean is right here. Today I was coming to shoot pelicans, but there was nothing but there was a ton of dead pelicans, so there must be some kind of disease going around there. So it's gonna be a really short video. I was actually playing around with this little base plate here that my friend Santi printed for us, and hopefully he'll have them for sale soon. Watch this space. Anyways, enjoy some of this video from today. We'll see you later. Bye bye.
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive. Life can get hard, so honey, if you need to cry, just come share my pillow and rain, rain, go away. I wanna hear about everything